Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to create a table on insert data on it. So first we're gonna go here to our M users a database we just create, and we're gonna type down here users. We're gonna give it 7 columns, and it's gonna throw us here. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna write down here ID, and we're gonna pick int, and we're gonna go further, and we're gonna select this. This is auto incremental. I don't know how to say it, and it's gonna rise just by one every time we insert data into our table. So and this is gonna do it completely automatically. So then we're gonna write here name. We're gonna pick voucher, and it's a uh, type of data for charts, and we're gonna give it a length of okay this, and we're gonna pick here registration day. There we're gonna pick time. It's not time. Is yeah, timestamp. The timestamp is gonna help us out because every time, same as the ID, we insert data, automatically it's gonna give us the time of when was this user inserted in the table, and we're gonna send this in this of default to current time stamp instead of none, and here we can put some relative data, phone, uh, like just 20, and here age just like 3, and here password, and it's gonna be, this needs to be virtual, and it's gonna be like, I don't know, yeah, 100. And we're gonna first, if you don't know, you can press here in preview SQL, and this is gonna give us the whole query it's gonna run to create our table. So okay, so let's close this and save it, and it's gonna run this, and it's gonna create our users table. Okay, so this is really important. So now there are two ways to insert data into our new users table. One, it's come here to insert, and we can like manually insert data, but we're not really interested in this part, because the really handy part is this one, is to write down that query. So you can click here in insert, and it's gonna like type down for you a whole query sentence. So first, we send ID and registration day to automatically do stuff. So we're gonna just get rid of it both, and we are gonna pass. Okay, so let's like read the query. Okay, so first we have here insert into users, uh, the next uh, places, I don't know, rows, yeah, rows, insert the next values. Okay, so here, right here in this parenthesis, we're gonna insert the values. So my first name, my first username will be, I don't know, Rene, and then we're gonna say, give it the Rene our mail, and then we're gonna pass the number, the telephone number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then the age, we're gonna say Rene has 21 years, and the password that will be pass. This is just, really not, uh, this is not a really good password. This is just to show you how to insert data. You need to memorize how to write down these queries, because these queries are really important for any kind of web application or mobile application connected to a database. So you can click here and go, and it's gonna show you first the response from the query, and it's one row inserted, and it took like this uh, amount of milliseconds, and then it shows the proper query it just run. And if we go here to users, here, right here we are an instructor, but if we go to browse, we can check out that first of all we have uh, our first user, and this ID we didn't type it down, and neither this registration date. This registration date was uh, created by the timestamp we set before when we were creating the table. So, and the other data, password, the age, the telephone number, mail, and name. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you still watching